In this video, I will show you how to back up chats on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end. Do not make any mistake. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do is just tap on this three dot at the top right side. Go to settings. Scroll to down and tap on this chats. Scroll to down again, tap on this backup, chat backup. So as you can see now, tap on this Google account to select the Google account that you want to back up your chats to. So now I'll just go and select a random Google account on my phone. So after you select the Google account, as you can see now, it will now authenticate the Google account before it allow your chat to be backup on it. So now it will ask you to confirm. Tap on this allow. So as you can see, here is the Google account. All you have to do now, tap on this backup. So now allow it to finish loading. As you can see now, it's counting. It says 100%. So now as you can see now, my backup has been back. So as you can see now, all my messages has been back up to this Gmail account. So hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comments. Thank you for watching.